Ripple is a crypto solutions company that transforms how the world moves, manages, and tokenizes value. Ripple's business solutions are faster, more transparent, and more cost-effective, solving inefficiencies that have long defined the status quo. And together with partners and the larger developer community, we identify use cases where crypto technology will inspire new business models and create opportunity for more people. With every solution, we're realizing a more sustainable global economy and planet, increasing access to inclusive and scalable financial systems while leveraging carbon-neutral blockchain technology and a green digital asset, XRP. This is how we deliver on our mission to build crypto solutions for a world without economic borders. The XRP ledger is an open-source, public and decentralized Layer 1 blockchain led by a global developer community. It is fast, energy-efficient, and reliable. For more than 10 years, it has been the blockchain best suited to enable settlement and liquidity of tokenized assets at scale. With ease of development, low transaction costs, and a knowledgeable community, it provides developers with a strong open-source foundation for executing on the most demanding projects, without impacting the XRPL's lean and efficient feature set. XRPL enables a wide variety of services and use cases including payments, decentralized finance, and tokenization. Central bank digital currencies are a form of digital currency issued by a country's central bank. They are similar to cryptocurrencies, except that their value is fixed by the central bank and equivalent to the country's fiat currency. Many countries are developing CBDCs, and some have even implemented them. Because so many countries are researching ways to transition to digital currencies, it's important to understand what they are and what they mean for society. Fiat money is a government-issued currency that has no backing from a physical commodity like gold or silver. It is considered a form of legal tender that can be used to exchange for goods and services. Traditionally, fiat money came as banknotes and coins, but technology has allowed governments and financial institutions to supplement physical fiat money with a credit-based model that records balances and transactions digitally. Furthermore, with more than 90% of countries exploring, developing, and implementing central bank digital currencies as a way to increase financial inclusion and lower the cost and risk of domestic and cross-border payment processes. Now, Ripple is announcing the Ripple CBDC Platform, a frictionless end-to-end solution for central banks, governments, and financial institutions to issue their own central bank digital currency. Leveraging the power of the same blockchain technology used on the XRP ledger, the enhanced platform will now allow its users to holistically manage and customize the entire lifecycle of fiat-based central bank digital currency, transaction, and distribution. The Ripple CBDC platform leverages the same blockchain technology used on the XRP ledger. Users will be able to use the XRPL technology to manage and customize the entire lifecycle of a fiat-based CBDC, as well as how it will be transacted and distributed. In addition, the platform will allow financial institutions holding significant amounts of CBDC to manage and participate in interinstitutional settlement and distribution functions. James Wallace, Vice President of Central Bank Engagements and CBDCs, said, "As a trusted partner to several central banks, we believe this platform will help solve problems for many central banks and governments devising plans and developing a technology strategy for CBDC implementations." The innovative capabilities of the platform will help enable instant settlement of both domestic and cross-border payments, reduce risk, and improve the user experience of quickly sending and receiving digital currency on either side of a transaction, Wallace continued. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. According to the Atlantic Council, 11 countries have fully launched a digital currency, with China's pilot set to expand to most of the country in 2023. Another 114 countries, representing 95% of global GDP, are exploring ways to implement a CBDC. In an interview with RBI, Julia Demidova from FIS, a fintech company enabling nations to become digital-first, real-time economies, urged stakeholders to stay ahead of the latest trends and innovation, including the evolution of real-time payments and the growing role of digital assets, including CBDCs. Surangdale Whips Jr., President of the Republic of Palau, welcomed the platform's launch. Partnering with Ripple to help create our national digital currency is part of our commitment to lead in financial innovation and technologies, which will provide the citizens of Palau with greater financial access, he said. Developed to address multiple use cases including wholesale and retail CBDCs on a private ledger or issuing a stablecoin, the Ripple CBDC platform offers its customers ledger technology. While still powered by the XRP ledger, Ripple's CBDC platform is built on a new private ledger underpinned by the XRP's core energy-efficient technology. Issuer, enabling issuers, for example central banks, monetary authorities, or commercial banks, to manage the full lifecycle of their fiat-based digital currency, from minting and distribution all the way to redemption and destruction, all in a highly secure manner, taking advantage of the XRP ledger's built-in multi-signing capabilities. Operator, this allows financial institutions who are holding significant amounts of the digital currency to manage and participate in inter-institutional settlement and distribution functions. End-user wallets, users of digital currencies such as corporate and retail end users will be able to hold their digital currencies securely and be able to pay and receive payment for goods and services in the same way other payment and banking apps provide this today, including for offline transactions and non-smartphone use cases. Ripple's CBDC Solutions was recently top-ranked by Juniper Research in their competitive leaderboard. The leaderboard ranked Ripple number 1 in a field of 15 CBDC technology providers. Ripple's CBDC Solutions were also top-ranked in CB Insight's Best Blockchain Cross-Border Payments and CBDCs companies. Ripple's XRP token is one of the most valued cryptocurrency in the crypto market. To its title, Ripple XRP can add the reserve currency for the world. This is according to a theory that has been put up by Jimmy Valley. Valley, the managing director of Valhill Capital, came up with the XRP buyback theory in 2021, which was later debunked in late 2022. You can use XRP like any other digital currency, either for transactions or as a potential investment. You could also use the Ripple network to process other types of transactions, like exchanging currencies. For example, if you are looking to swap INR for euros, you could first exchange your INR for XRP on the Ripple network and then use those to buy euros, rather than handling the currency exchange directly through a bank or money-changing exchange. This can be a much faster and cheaper approach versus paying the high fees banks and money remittance organizations may charge. Before I continue, I want to tell you something about DexPool. It's a self-composed liquidity provider, known as a market maker. It's like someone lending their crypto assets to a platform to help with the decentralization of cryptocurrency trading. In return, you receive rewards with fees generated by trades on that platform, something many consider a form of passive income, and you can get it if you use DexPool. Important to clarify that anyone can add liquidity to decentralized platforms such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. through DexPool. DexPool has a welcome special sign-up bonus, which you can claim as long as you use the link provided in the video description. This bonus consists in getting up to 100 XRP. It is a 10 days liquidity bonus. The offer is limited. When you make a deposit, you will receive this bonus. Now to the million-dollar question on everyone's mind: will XRP become the digital world's reserve currency? As someone who has been involved in the cryptocurrency space for years, I can tell you that there are certainly arguments for and against this possibility. XRP is perfectly positioned to serve as a world reserve currency. It can be held in significant quantities to provide liquidity for foreign exchange reserves, international transactions and investments, and all other uses throughout a global economy. At its creation, a total of 100 billion XRP was created. First, let's talk about what a reserve currency is. Essentially, it's a currency that is widely accepted around the world and used as a store of value by countries and organizations. The US dollar is currently the world's reserve currency, but there have been discussions in recent years about whether another currency, such as the Chinese yuan or the euro, could take over this role. Now, when it comes to XRP, some people believe that it could become a viable alternative to traditional reserve currencies. One argument in favor of this possibility is that XRP has already gained significant adoption in the financial industry. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has partnerships with a number of major banks and payment providers, including Santander and American Express. In addition, XRP's technology allows for fast, low-cost cross-border transactions. This could make it an attractive option for countries that want to reduce their reliance on traditional reserve currencies and avoid the high fees and slow processing times associated with traditional wire transfers. However, there are also arguments against XRP becoming a reserve currency. One major concern is that it is still relatively unknown outside of the cryptocurrency space. While adoption has been growing among financial institutions, it is not yet widely used by individuals or small businesses. In addition, there are still questions about how XRP would be regulated if it were to become a reserve currency. Cryptocurrencies are often seen as a threat to traditional financial systems, and it is likely that governments and central banks would be wary of allowing a cryptocurrency to take on such an important role. So, in conclusion, while there are certainly arguments both for and against XRP becoming a reserve currency, it is difficult to say definitively what will happen in the future. As with any emerging technology, it will take time to see how it evolves and how it is adopted by different stakeholders. However, given XRP's current adoption and technological capabilities, it is certainly worth keeping an eye on as a potential contender for the digital world reserve currency. That said, if you believe that Ripple will emerge victorious as a payment system, then it could be worth buying XRP. Just make sure it's with money you can afford to lose. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.